Okay guys, let's continue with the day 9. Today we will learn how beginner can use n8n switch node for the temperature automation tutorial. You learn how to set a temperature value in n8n, how to configure also the switch node for the conditional logic, how to automate decision based on temperature thresholds, and practical tips for beginners using n8n workflow automation. First, you need to set a manual trigger so the overflow can start. After this, a set node. Yes, okay. And here you will put the field, the name temperature and value, let's say 30 degrees. Execute, and you see we have temperature and 30 degrees. Okay, this is number, we can put the number. Okay, on the execute. Okay, now we will put the switch node. Switch. Okay, and here on the switch node we need some rules, and these rules will be like that. Here on the value 1 we'll put an expression. Okay, JSON on the field from temperature. Okay, perfect. It's less than, we'll put on number is less than, let's say first 10, and this output will be named, let's say cold. Okay, execute. Okay, now output. Next condition, also again expression, JSON. JSON with $. Okay, same temperature. Okay, we choose again number and greater than 25, let's say. Okay, this output will be hot, and another that will remain like that. This number is if the temperature is between 10 and 25 degrees. Okay, execute. Let's say how this workflow it is for now. Okay, let's unify it and let's execute. You see the branch, because the temperature is 30 degrees, the branch go to hot. Okay, and hot is greater than 25, but let's put here temperature 20 degrees. Let's execute. We'll need to go here on the third and you see you'll go on the third rammer. Okay, let's put an output name also here. temperature normally. Let's say execute. Let's execute the overflow. Okay. And also you need 3 set nodes. One. Will he it's cold outside. Okay, execute. And value also will remain like that. Okay. Let's put like that. And let's say the temperature 7. So let's see, execute. And now let's execute the old overflow. And you go there. And you have the message. No message. We'll put the message also here. Here we'll put message. And there it's called outside. Let's execute now. Okay. You see, you'll go to that branch, and here you'll receive this message. It's called outside. Okay. Let's put another set node. Okay. Also message. Value. It's very hot outside. Execute. Okay. Let's unify it with the hot. Okay, and the third set node. Okay, again will be message, and let's say normal temperature. Execute. Perfect. And let's unify, and let's execute, and let's put again let's put 18 degrees, and let's execute to see on what branch it goes. So it goes here. Okay guys, that was the switch node for today. Thank you and bye.